proper way.
What is one food me and James can't miss eating in a day? It's
Rice.
So today we're gonna show you how to cook rice the right way.
All we need is rice, water, and a handy dandy rice cooker.
So first, we need to grab the inner pot of the rice cooker and we're gonna put the rice inside. You can put however much you want, but for us, we normally put 4 cups of rice for the whole family. Two. Three. And 4.
Now you need to wash your rice before cooking it. When you're running the water, just move the rice a bit, like this.
You see all that white stuff? That's what we need to get out. Now we're gonna put the water into the rice. Some people use the 1:1 cup ratio, which is also good, but we use the finger method. So basically, you just put the water. You need to level the rice. And then you need to put the index finger at the top of the rice, and we need to measure it until it reaches the first joint right here, the line. So yeah, I think I put just about the right amount of water, and now it's ready to be put in the rice cooker. Here.
Now, you're going to put the lid on and then make sure you plug in your rice cooker. Now, all you have to do is turn it on. Now, let the cooking begin.
Yay!
About 25 minutes for our rice to cook, and now it is finally ready. Here's our perfectly cooked rice.
And that's how you cook rice the right way. Rice is perfect for any ulam, like
adobo, fried chicken, bacon, even burgers.
So for our lunch, we're gonna pair it with pork barbecue and beef stew. time to eat.